My name is
My
Jason.
name is Ivy.
This is Richard.
This is Harry.
My name is Sylvia.
Your friend Wilson from MPMC.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the LinkedIn show. Untitled, motivated, just as our brand stands for. More power, more confidence. Okay, now let's welcome our guest, Miss Pen, China Sales Director of Leory Somer. Thank you for being here, Miss Pen. Would you please tell us a little bit about you and your company?
Okay. Thanks for having me here. Hello everyone. Online, this is Pen Tu from Leory Somer Electric Power Generation China. I'm China Sales Director for the company. First of all, I'd like to appreciate the invitation from my honorable customer MPMC, which is offering me this great chance to meet you here and to share some stories of our company.
Thanks. So, what stories would you like to share with us today?
Okay, I think probably many customers are aware of the small change on our logo label in past 3 years. You can find the logo of Nidec company. It's our owner company now. So I would like to start from Nidec. You can see on the slides at the right side on top is the founder of the Nidec Corporation, Mr. Nakamori-san. He established the company in 1970. This company headquartered in Tokyo, Japan, and the main product range are precision motors applied on electrical appliance and like a computer device, something like that, and also some general motors applied on industrial and commercial application. So in 2018, Nidec sales revenue are over 13.8 billion US dollar. It's quite a great company. Now I'm going to introduce our Leory Somer company. So we just celebrated our company's 100 years anniversary last year. So I just highlight a few milestones in past century of our history. We started alternative manufacturing in France since 1940s. It was only low voltage machines. After quickly expanding business to Europe-wide, 40 years later, in 1980s, we got the capability of design and manufacture high and medium voltage machine by acquiring our Orleans plant. Since 1990, after acquisition, Emerson Corporation created a new division named Electric Power Generation, with short name EPG, including Leory Somer Alternator and also Canton Engineering, which is US background company established in 1926, located in Mankato. This merge improved our competitiveness advantage significantly. Then, back to 3 years before, in 2017, Nidec Group acquired a company from Emerson.
Wow, quite a long history Leory Somer has.
Yes. So now we just take a quick snapshot of Nidec EPG division. Here are some few figures I would like to present. In past one, after 1 century effort by many generations of Leory Somer people and also Canton Engineering, we now own 2 brands with over 120 active patents. We believe that our company is the global #1 alternator manufacturer for power rating range covering from 10 kW to 20 megawatt. With this product, we are serving our customer globally with the best in power generation technology, served by dedicated experts through over 80 service centers in over 40 countries.
Now we always talk about how could make 1 plus 1 bigger than 2. Let's jump to the question about the collaboration between MPMC and Leory Somer.
Oh,
I'm sure people out there are wondering how this system works. Like we sold products to most of the regions of the world. What role is Leory Somer playing? Any story you'd love to share with us?
okay. As a global branded alternator manufacturer company, Leory Somer, I think the first thing is product. As I just mentioned, we have full line product coverage 10 kW to 25 megawatts. So let's take a quick look on our product line. So you can see here we have from left to right side is indicating the different power rating from 10 kW to 25 megawatts. On the top two lines with green color are our low voltage machine and also high and medium voltage machine with the Leory Somer brand. And at the bottom, with the yellow machine or mark is indicating our Canton engineering product. So beyond this product range, I think the relationship between us with our customer is not only selling and buying relationships. It's definitely a win-win cooperation. Everything we did and we are doing now just with one purpose. How could we get our OEM's business growth than ours? So it's really systematic stuff from post-sales support to after-sales service. We offer it to our OEM customers. We started from very beginning, like a product introduction. We had talked with your application engineers team. We did a lot of technical seminar to get the information exchange between our product advantage and feature, something like that, with your customers' needs heard from your customers' side. Sometimes, if needed, we also did some joint visiting with your people to hear VOC, it's a voice of customer directly.
Yeah, sometimes we got questions from customer. What's the difference of your main components by manufacturer place? Then could you please share us what's the difference between Leory Somer alternator made in China with the alternator made in other countries?
Okay. Before to answer your question, I have a question for you, Mr. Liu.
Okay.
Do you know how many alternator manufacturing plants Leory Somer EPG have global-wide?
I guess maybe 8? No?
Let's take a look at our global facility footprint. Yeah, we have 10 plants actually.
Wow, so many factories all over the world.
Yes, our facility setting up strategy is to serve our customer locally by local facility in specified regions. You can see on the screen from left to right, we have 3 plants in America, including 1 for Canton engineering, 2 for Leory Somer alternator, and we have 4 in Europe, including 2 plants located in France, where our headquarters located, and another 2 plants in eastern side of Europe. We have also 2 plants located in India, and our plant for Asia Pacific region is located in Fuzhou, China. It's not far away from Shanghai here.
Yeah.
Just a 1.5 hour flight. By the way, I would like to take the chance to invite our friends online. If you have chance to visit our customer MPMC in China, you are very welcome to take a stop by to visit our Fuzhou plant. You know, in these 10 plants globally, we actually have exactly the same standard. What we are following for our design engineering and also manufacturing process, quality control system, and global sourcing.
Really? No difference?
Yeah, yes, to your question, we do have few difference on the product. Just like, for example, we use quite the same standard for some material, for example, like a copper. We cannot import the copper from European side or American, some only one source for our China plant, which consume the cost. You know, your boss are always asking us the best price. That's quite important for our business.
Yeah. Now for all customer, the service and warranty is one of the most important point for make decision. How is your after sales service team working? Could you share anything with us?
Okay. Usually, when the people are mentioning service, the one idea suddenly coming up in mind, just like warranty.
Yes.
How long you can give us warranty, and what's the cost of repairing stuff, something like that. But I think it's not only with the warranty when we're talking about the service. So the core, I think, for our service concept is how to maintain the life of alternate as designed, and sometimes as longer as our customer expected. So besides the standard warranty process, we take care of all process from startup to performance improvement. For example, we do training on alternate and the regulator when the machine will installed it on site, do the commissioning for the customer request at the startup stage. And for some field service, we also do inspection and repair alternator. Sometimes for customer request, we even do the on-site training to engineer of our OEMs and also operators of our end users.
So your engineer will fly to the site if the customers request sometime.
Yes, that's exactly part of our service job, what we are doing.
Good job.
Yes, and also, you know, it's quite a critical things for the maintenance is predictive maintenance. We do the health condition checking and the vibration analysis, lubrication analysis, sometimes isolation follow-up, which for protective activity to keep longer life for the machines. There are also a lot of performance improvement we do, like installed base management, variable speed conversion, and also power upgrading program, ABR upgrading. That's for sure is performance improvement included in our service. So in case any emergency request for alternate technical support, we do have few 724 emergency call lines available by region for customer immediate support. So now, besides this service, I would like to talk a bit about our training, especially if it's the manager for our customer in Asia. We have an AAA program, which means Asia Alternator Academy. We did this online and also in classroom. It's a training for the real world, including the theory and the technical and the practical workshops. This training is designed after real world situation, what our engineer learned from site and from the customer, and also we can do the on-site training available online and on-site. For example, we did it before in Philippines for their national power company, something like that. So it's quite a comprehensive service I'm talking. Beyond the just like a warranty and also repair stuff.
Well, the last question, I'd like to, on behalf of our customers all over the world, as one of the most important partner of us, what's Leory Somer company's market strategy for the future?
Okay, I think it's quite an interesting question, mostly regarding to product development. You know, NPD, new product development, is a consistent job for our technical people and the R&D people. You know, for our traditional industry range named LSA, mostly low voltage machine,
Yes.
we keep on improvement by the concept on better energy density. So you can see we upgrade few models every 1 or 2 years on LSA traditional range. That's what we did, and we are keeping on doing this.
Yes.
And also we launched the TL series globally in 2015, China 2 years later. I believe you know this product range well, and some your customer already heard this name or probably used it.
Yes, it's very popular among the customers, you know.
Yes, in these years, besides alternate job, we are digitalizing full line our AVRs. So you can see our AVR will move to all digital AVR, full line AVR in this year. So for the specific application telecom you're mentioning, we launched the AVS from 10 alternate its DB machine from 10 to 20 kV before. Now we are developing bigger kVA machine up to 60 kVA. You will see the new models, more new models coming soon.
Okay. Alright, I have learned a lot myself. We are honored to have you here today. Thank you so much, Ms. Zhu.
Okay, I would like to use this chance to thank again MPMC great support for our business growth and also looking forward to more and more close collaboration in future and also to support MPMC business growth globally.
Okay, again, thank you so much for joining the show. We are so honored. See you.
Just 1 second, one more request.
Okay.
We are waiting for your orders with the request to Leory Somer alternate. Thank you.
Okay, then please contact with us.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.